Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my healthy Zobo drink. So I brought out my pineapple and turned on the tap water. So I rinsed the pineapple in the water. I drained the water, then rinsed it again. I added the vinegar and allowed the pineapple to soak in the vinegar and water mixture for about 10 minutes. I got the Zobo leaves from one of the African stores around, and I added the Zobo leaf to the second bowl. I turned on the tap water. I added enough water and washed the Zobo leaves with my hands. And then when I was done washing, I just poured it in another bowl. I repeated this process 4 times to ensure that all the dirt and sand or stones are removed before cooking. You can see the sand here. This is the first bowl containing the vinegar and water mixture, and here I washed the body of the pineapple. It's just to ensure that the sand and stones and dirt are removed. Then I added baking soda. We all know that the vinegar and baking soda helps to form a cleaning solution to remove dirt, remove microorganisms. I had to turn it to the other side just to ensure that the water reaches the 2 sides. And here I added the Zobo leaves to a clean pot. I brought out my chopping board, and it's time to peel my pineapple because I need the pineapple peels for my Zobo drink. And I also need the pineapple itself to make pineapple juice. So I was done peeling the pineapple, and these are the pineapple peels that I'm going to use for my Zobo drink. So I added the pineapple peels to the pot containing the Zobo leaves and added water. Added ginger. I used the powdered ginger and also used the powdered cinnamon just to add some sort of flavor to it. Then I gave it a stir. Then I cooked it for 20 minutes. And in between cooking, I added orange slice. So I made my pineapple juice. I had to cut the pineapple into small chunks. I haven't gotten a juicer yet, so I used the blender. You can use a juicer if you have one. So I added water to make it easy to blend, and blended the pineapple for some minutes or until I was so sure that it was well blended. Then I used this small strainer that I got recently to sieve out the pineapple juice. I wanted it to be a clear juice and not with some pineapple chunks or something. And here is my pineapple juice. So my Zobo was ready. And then I sieved it using my sieve. Then I added half of my pineapple juice. The bottle was about 500 ml, so I added about 250 ml of pineapple juice. I gave it a quick stir, and yeah, I added my ice cubes to my jug. I didn't want a very concentrated Zobo, so the ice cubes gave it some more water. And yeah, here is the healthy Zobo drink without any rubbish added, no sugar, just Zobo and pineapple juice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know when you try this out in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.